turbulence in there. Two dual 1953 Scott Atwater gold pennant 7.5s. I got the covers off so you can see how everything looks. This is your pulse line coming off to the fuel pump, and your line coming in, going out to the carburetor. I love the Tillotson carburetors. There's nothing better. Too bad they sold out to Italy or someplace. They're awesome carburetors. I got them mastered. I've got all the covers for both of these. This recoil's off right now. Let's see if I can flip start it. Find a place to set the camera. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going to set it. Let's try this. That'll do it. That's how you start a motor if you see a recoil brake. Or if you just want to impress your girlfriend. I know my girlfriend's impressed by it. See, that's why she's sitting out here. That's my girlfriend right there. She's always out here by my side watching me. I put a blanket on her because it's kind of chilly in Michigan still right now. We'll go in a little bit, baby. This one's stalled on me. There we go. Aren't they beautiful? I just love it. When I put these carburetors in the ultrasonic, they come out looking better than new. Shut this one off so you can hear them one at a time. Listen to that. sneeze going on, but this tank is just about empty. Alright, what do you think? 1953 Scott Atwater gold pennant, 7.5. They're sweating. Quite a workout. Getting all sweaty. Beautiful machines. Maybe I'll strap them both to the back of the Starcraft and take off. See what happens. Alright, thanks for watching.